Alright, what's up guys, I'm back to the channel. Today is, I think, day 7 of daily videos. Could be wrong, but I believe it's day 7 of daily videos. We are out. Stepping on Lego. If you didn't see last video, we picked up a sim racing machine here. As you can see, if you haven't checked it out, check it out. It's a short, quick little video. Just picking it up and stuff like that. You know, guy was pretty neat. He was chill. I'll explain another video on the weekends or something like that. That I use for filler, but of like what happened and how did this almost not happen. But other than that, guys, listen, this is a Moza sim racing machine. Not the actual whole thing, but just like, you know, the direct drive, the sequential shifter, handbrake, pedals, and yeah, I think that's really actually all to it, really. We picked it up for decent price. It was for $1,000. So all brand new. I think I calculated to be like $1,500. Between $1,300 and $1,500, I forgot exactly which number it was, but plus, you know, plus a seat, plus a stand, you're ranging from $1,500 to $2,000 for a sim setup like this. So I think that's a pretty good deal. You know, if I need to in the future sell it, we can sell it and make a buck back. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna finite this machine to us. Now he had the sequential shifter closest to him and the emergency brake to the right of him. I didn't like that, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill holes in for this here. Sorry, it's a little dark down here because it is nighttime, and laying down here isn't the best either. I'm trying to keep that pointed downward so that the light doesn't blind you guys when we're talking like this. But yeah, so we gotta drill one hole here, and then 2 holes right here for this guy. So we're gonna get to work on that. After we do that, I think we're pretty much ready. Just to I gotta get a strip plug for that to plug all this stuff in and then bring my laptop down. But we could probably get our first test drive and see how we like this. And listen, we're going to do a whole thing. I'm going to explain more. Probably not in this video, but another video, probably on Monday, probably. Yeah, probably the video coming out on Monday, we'll probably do more explanation of like what we're going to do with this and what's going to be the plan and what's going to happen, what's content going to be like now, and stuff like that. So hang on tight. We're going to get this all situated and we're going to have a little fun. Alright, got all the pilot holes here drilled out. Now I just gotta do the final touch, which I'm gonna give you some tips. When you're drilling through metal, slow speed, high pressure down. That's the quickest way you're ever gonna drill through metal. And save your bits. Least heat off the tip is better. Alright, I got this drilled in, so now I'm gonna put some of these bolts on here for this guy, and then I gotta wait for the other drill to charge up because that drill actually just literally died on the second hole here. So gotta wait for the other one to charge up, and then we can finalize the other one. Then we can definitely get my laptop down here, throw Forza on, and then try to see if we can do some drifting or not. I got one of the RTR Mustangs on that game, and I spent $100 on that game 2-3 years ago now, and never got to play it. Never got to play it. Only because I didn't want to play it because I just couldn't drive right, because I just didn't want to use the keyboard. I wanted this to drive to play the game. I just did not like playing it. So yeah. So now we finally play that game. And yeah, that feels good. That feels solid. Definitely gonna tighten all this stuff up later on, but for right now, for a test run and stuff like that, she's not going anywhere. Alright, so while I wait for the thing to charge up, I'm just gonna get some of this wire stuff going on. I got some of this electrical stuff here you gotta plug in. So that, my computer, well, that would be first because sometimes it would be unplugged. The rest of this stuff's never gonna be unplugged unless it's being moved, which I hope not, because this thing is heavy as hell. So we don't want to be unplugging it. That thing turned on, or is it off? Alright, it's off, so good. I don't want to turn it on right now. Alright, so but it is on. Where is it? Yeah, okay. Anything else being plugged in? No? Why did I think it'd be more plugged? Besides TV here. Alright. Well, I think that's all the plugs other than... Alright, that's our USBs. Alright, so I gotta get my USB thing real quick. Alright, so I got all these USBs here. I gotta plug them all into... So this is for... Looks like the wheel. I'll let you be first. Second would be pedals, I like. Alright, second is pedals. I'm gonna turn these on. Turn them off for now. I don't really want them on. Alright, what's next? Alright, next is just the handbrake and the other thing, so I don't really care about that really, which one's being on or off. So, which one it is, so I guess I do kind of want to know. Alright, so handbrake will be middle, and sequential will be first in line, technically. Alright, so that's all plugged in. It's a hot wire mess. I'll organize a lot of this, you know, after I finalize some things. But that's all plugged in. I guess we'll turn the computer on. Oh, you know, we can actually set this up a little bit, actually. Let me get the HDMI for the TV so we can actually give this a shot. Alright guys, so listen, I'm only updating this soon so that you guys are not like... You guys can actually watch this like on the screen and see my face separately. So we're gonna hit Forza. I don't know if I need... Oh, I need to download some stuff too, actually. I gotta download some of the Moza drives and stuff, I think. But, let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's turn on some stuff. Yeah, a whole lot of stuff's coming on, girl. Yeah, one of the big things coming on. Alright, so we got the emergency brake put on. Got this put on. Now we're just installing the software, as you can see. And after I get this all figured out, we'll go right into Forza and we'll give it a quick shot. Alright, I'm gonna hit play and we're gonna see what happens. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Alright, I'm in a buggy right now. Alright, let's see if the gas pedal works real quick. Let's see, hold on. Let's go to my garage. I want to do, where is it? My cars. I want my RTR Mustang. There it is. Alright, let's see what this does. Alright. Gotta be some type of in-game configuration then. Alright, so long story short, we're not having good luck with the other guy. So we're trying iRacing real quick. We're gonna see. Let's see, loading AI race. Do I have to do this track? Okay, I guess we're gonna do this track. Loading. Yeah, so listen, I literally had no brakes for this first race and stuff. It really sucked. I'm like, am I really doing this bad? I'm like, so right here I'm fine. You know, we're accelerating. We can only go a certain mile per hour until you get on the track. So then here I get onto the track, right here. Yep, right here. And then I'm like, now I'm flying down. So I'm like, all right, I'm doing good. I shifted the gears pretty well. All right, hit and turn. I'm not slowing down. I'm not slowing. Oh shit. I'm like, what the hell just? I'm like, in my head, I'm going, what the hell is going on here? I'm like, well, all right, I'm gonna keep racing. I'm just gonna keep moving on this thing and just keep getting this thing going. And so I'm flying up to this turn. I'm like, all right, maybe I messed up. Maybe I messed up big time. So here's a gun. I come flying to this turn. I'm like, I'm not slowing down very much. I'm like, oh my god. I'm like, what is going on with this? And then I spun out at this point because I think my car was damaged, and this game does, like, you know, if you get damaged in this game, it messes with your car and everything. So I'm gonna cut off this whole, because this race I was just trying to race and I was failing. I'm like, why am I doing so bad? I'm like, why can't I do these turns? Why can't I do this? I'm like, so eventually I learned the brake calibration was way off. Alright. So basically I'm just gonna be racing. This is just like a AI. I think it's just literally 5 laps. So I got the brakes working. I tested it, and then now we're in the actual race. So this one, we'll find out if we win or not. I forgot if I don't know if I did or not. I guess I'll have to watch and find out. But yeah, so this one I had brakes. I did a hell of a lot better. I was like, all right, at least I know I'm not that bad of a freaking driver. I thought I'm like, man, I didn't know it wasn't. I know I'm not perfect, but Jesus Christ, I'm like, this is terrible. Like I can't even hold a line. I can't even go into a turn without nailing somebody. I'm like, how am I, if I ever want to go into actually NASCAR, I'm like, how am I going to do this in real life? But yeah, so enjoy watching. I'll jump in here and in and out. Let me know if you guys would rather have me like say your commentary over all this stuff, or would you guys rather just put some background sound in it and you guys just enjoy watching the race and stuff like that. There'll be times where I'm actually gonna get like a whole headset and talk through the whole thing of this, but this is just how it is. And like I said, light's green and we're hitting the road. But like I said, we are going to be actually doing like screen recording and so this is not going to look like this all the time. I promise that. So enjoy watching. I'll jump in if I have to, and then yeah. I don't think these brakes are working as well, because the brakes seem really delayed, because I'm hitting the brake. I couldn't be doing it wrong. Yeah, I don't think the brakes are working. Yeah, the brakes are not working right now. Definitely not working. Alright, so I thought that was the clip, but no, this is where I have brakes now. So I thought before, like I said, I thought that was when I found out, but I guess not. But yeah, I just saw there, that's how I found out, like I really had no brakes. So I'm like, I'm really not stopping. I really cannot stop this car actually. I'm like, that's when I really found out I didn't have brakes. So as you can see, so there's proof that's like, hey, I really do not have brakes. I forgot I actually got that on the camera and that stuff like that. But yeah, so this is the race where we're actually going to be competing. This is actually the race where we actually are going to compete. Hopefully we can get this win and make it through the end, and we'll get into more actual serious leagues and iRacing and everything like that very soon. And like I said, we're definitely going to be getting updating this whole how you watch this thing. So stay tuned and enjoy the race. Alright, exactly, the brakes are working. Yeah. honestly, right here, I started just kind of just playing with the car more, just trying to like really test out the car, like what were the limitations. Being not in real life, you can kind of just get a little more cocky with what you're doing, and make it more cocky. That's what happens, and you crash. But we stayed in the lead. We're in the lead lap right now. We're just trying to stay in front. No one's in. We're right now. We're the fastest out there, so we're good. That's something happened. Alright guys, so listen, that was it. I'm going to bed now because tomorrow's Mother's Day, so listen. Look at that, we won the international... Alright guys, we won the International Speedway competition, so we at least won. A couple mistakes, but we did it. Alright, so listen guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to be doing a lot more sim stuff, and listen, I'm making it more entertaining than what I just showed you guys. It was just more concentration and a lot of stuff like that. So listen, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Comment down below what you guys think about the sim setup and any advice you guys have. Subscribe to the channel, do what you for other dreams, don't let it go anyway, stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.